Welcome to this instructional video on how to reduce the rational expression x squared minus 16x plus 64 divided by x minus 8 to its lowest terms. In this video, we will walk through the step-by-step process to simplify this expression. Let's get started. To reduce the rational expression x squared minus 16x plus 64 over x minus 8 to its lowest terms, we begin with step 1. Step 1. Factor the numerator. First, observe the numerator, which is the expression x squared minus 16x plus 64. This is a quadratic expression of the form x squared plus bx plus c, where a equals 1, b equals negative 16, and c equals 64. To factor the quadratic expression x squared minus 16x plus 64, we look for two numbers that multiply to 64, and at the same time, add up to negative 16. These two numbers are negative 8 and negative 8 because negative 8 times negative 8 equals 64. And negative 8 plus negative 8 equals negative 16. Therefore, the quadratic expression x squared minus 16x plus 64 can be factored into x minus 8 times x minus 8. This can also be written as x minus 8 squared because we are multiplying x minus 8 by itself. So, after factoring the numerator, the rational expression is altered from x squared minus 16x plus 64 over x minus 8 to x minus 8 squared over x minus 8. In this step, we have successfully factored the quadratic expression in the numerator by identifying the two numbers that satisfy the conditions. And we rewrite the numerator as x minus 8 times x minus 8. This concludes step 1. Step 2. Simplify the expression. Now that the numerator has been factored into x minus 8 squared, the rational expression is x minus 8 squared over x minus 8. This can also be read as x minus 8 times x minus 8 over x minus 8. In this step, we simplify the expression by canceling out the common factor from the numerator and the denominator. The common factor is x minus 8, which appears once in the denominator and twice in the numerator. Since x minus 8 divided by x minus 8 equals 1, we can cancel out one of the x minus 8 terms from both the numerator and the denominator. After canceling out one x minus 8, the expression simplifies to x minus 8. This is because we are left with one instance of x minus 8 in the numerator and one has already been cancelled out from the numerator and denominator. Therefore, the simplified form of the expression x squared minus 16x plus 64 over x minus 8 is x minus 8. This concludes step 2 and the final step. The rational expression has been successfully reduced to its lowest terms, which is x minus 8.